you're anything like me, you probably started creating videos without even thinking about a script. You're knowledgeable on your topic, so you could just turn on the camera and start talking. However, when you went to edit that, it probably took you forever to piece together something that went well together. Why waste all that time and stress if you don't have to? In this video, I'm going to show you how to script a YouTube video and what to do with your script before you start filming to save you time and stress. Scripting will make your life a lot easier, and there are 5 main parts of a YouTube script. You don't have to write your script out word for word, even though I do recommend that because it is the easiest. You could also just have an outline with points that you want to say for specific parts. The more information and the more work you put into the script, the easier it will be later as you're delivering your lines and then finally in the edit suite. The hook, something that gets the viewer's attention. A hook can be a problem that you're going to be solving within the video or a common misconception within the industry that you will prove wrong. The introduction. Next, you want to introduce the topic. This usually starts by you saying something like, in this video you will, and then finish the sentence. You want your topic to be related to the problem. So how are you solving their problem, which is the hook? You can also, this is a great time to actually tell them how you're going to be rolling out their problems and solving them for them. So are you going to be giving tips? If so, how many tips will you be giving? This is also a great time to introduce yourself as an expert. So why are you solving this problem? What expertise do you have that relates to this problem specifically? The main content, this is where you give them the information that helps them solve their problem. The call to action, this is where you direct them to something that they can download so you can capture their email and start building the relationship. Want to see mine? Do you want to make videos but hate talking to camera? I can help. Sign up for my free Film Yourself Challenge where I teach you how to get comfortable talking to camera. And finally, the sign off. Here is where you thank your audience for watching and ask them to subscribe. So, subscribe. Once your script is ready, you can print it. The reason I like to print my script is because it's something that I can have with me while I'm filming and then again later in the editing process. I typically like to divide my scripts into 2 or 3 different shots, and then I'll color coordinate the script accordingly. So if the shot is tight, then I'll highlight it blue. If it's wide, it'll be orange, and if I'm going to put a graphic on top, I'll make that purple. If you choose not to print a script, you can simply highlight different sections based on which camera angle you're going to use. Then when I finally do start filming, then I go through all of the one angle, so all my tight blue angle, then I'll go onto the orange, and then finally with the graphics. When I'm preparing the lines that are going to have graphics on top of them, I don't have to deliver them to camera, I can just read the lines. But the one thing you need to keep in mind when you're reading your lines is not to change where you're looking. So if you're going to start to look down to read your lines, your mic is going to get closer to your mouth and your audio is going to sound differently than if you're looking up and your airway is open. So instead, make sure that you are looking to camera as you're delivering lines, even if you need to pull up your script and have it in front of your face as you read it. And there you have it. Now you know how to script a YouTube video and what to do with your script before you start filming to save yourself some time and stress. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like, or better yet, leave me a comment. I have new videos out every Wednesday. Until next time, peace! And this is where you thank your audience for watching and ask them to subscribe to your channel. Subscribe!